Hey there, how's it going everybody? In this video, I am going to say a quick tip on how to create environmental variables in Mac and how to access them using Bash and Python script. And now let's get into this video. If you don't know why we use the environmental variables, I'll walk you through a quick example. If you wrote some Bash or Python script like this for sending an email, or the script can be anything, and it needs some sensitive information like your username and password like this, or it could be an API, or it could be anything else. If you are working with a group of people or you wanted to keep that script in your GitHub repository or somewhere else, then anyone who can view this script can have access to that sensitive credentials. So by using the environmental variables, we can store those values in our local computer and can access that from our script whenever we want to run that script from our local machine. And now at first we can see how to create these environmental variables. So first we have to navigate to your terminal. If you don't know where your terminal is, press command plus space and then type terminal in that and press enter to open your terminal. After going to the terminal, you have to navigate to your home directory. You can do that by pressing CD and this, and now you'll be in your home directory. After this, you have to type sudo nano.bash profile. Here I am using nano editor to edit this bash profile. So press enter and you have to enter your password. And now this is your bash profile. And for creating the environmental variables, you have to type export and the name of the variable that you want to give for your environmental variable. For example, I wanted to give it the name as user, and you have to press is equals to and keep double quotes, and you have to enter the value that you wanted to give for this environmental variables. Let it be something like geekypreneurs. And now let us give some password also, like export pass is equals to double quotes and some value here like this. You can create any number of environmental variables by using this export followed by the variable name and followed by its value. And now for saving these environmental variables, you just have to press Ctrl plus O and press enter, and press Ctrl plus X to exit the nano editor, and you have to type source.bash profile. Now you are all set with your environmental variables. And now we are going to see how to access those environmental variables using bash. See here, I am currently running bash in my terminal. To get my bash IDE, I am just typing bash here. And this is my bash IDE. And now I am creating a variable here called a, and I am assigning it with $sign followed by the user. It means that I am assigning the value of the user, which is environmental variable, to the variable a, and I am pressing enter. And now for seeing the value that is in the variable a, I am pressing echo $a. I am included here with a dollar symbol because as a is a variable, I have to include dollar to print the value in it. I am pressing enter. And now see here, the a is assigned with the value of geekypreneurs. By this method, you can assign value of any variable in your bash script with those environmental variables you have created before, and can also use them anywhere in your script instead of keeping sensitive information directly. Now let's see how to access these environmental variables in Python script. I have already created a sample Python script here to explain you. At first, you have to import the OS module here. You can see it, right? You have to import the OS module to access the environmental variables, and then you have to create the variables in which you want to store your environmental variables. You can assign that variables your environmental variables by using this command os.environ.get followed by brackets followed by double quotes, and then in here you have to give the name of your environmental variable. See here, I have assigned my user environmental variable to normal variable username and my pass environmental variable to this password. And now I am running this script in the terminal to show you the values that are assigned to username and password. I am using Python 3 and the name of that script is os.py. And see here friends, the values we got here are the environmental variables that we have assigned before. And see here, I am printing the username and password. I hope now you have understood how to create and access environmental variables in Bash and Python scripts. If you have any doubts regarding this concept, comment below. I will try to resolve them. And that's it for this video guys. If you do like the content, give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.